Hi everyone, welcome to FlexCNC. Just want to jump right in here, show you guys around our shop quickly and introduce our FlexCNC G series. It's the big gantry machine that we build. Let's walk around the machine, take a look at it. You can walk right up to it, click here. Let's go inside the head. Here you're able to look around. We can look at that big Cat 50 spindle, watch a little video if you mouse over the tag, see what that's all about. Look at our different lubrication options here to include through the spindle and flood coolant. Here we have the minimum quantity lube, the paste, and oil. Let me step outside the gantry. Come over here, we can take a look at the controller. Again, mousing over the tag, we can watch a little video to learn more about the Delta controller on the FlexCNC. Come around to this side. Taking a look at other accessories such as the mobile light curtain barrier. This is a good example. Watch the video and understand how those features are utilized to help make our machine really unique and keep that spindle working 100% of the time. Here we can look down the machine bed, see all the different parts we have set up, tons of different video examples to check out the machine. Go to flexmachinetools.com and you guys can get a tour of our shop, take a look at all the machines, and more to come. But again, flexmachinetools.com. Check out the Big G series and see how we could help you make money in your shop with our Big Bed Vertical Machining Center.